Welcome back to Vanlife Hustles. This week I'm going to start by correcting an error I made in last week's video. I forgot to show you this epic Parkup in Nairn in Scotland. It's completely free. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, give us a like and a subscribe. There's the secret Parkup there. All the details are in the description. Fitted my new tap on the road because the last one was completely useless. Cleaned up my metal detecting finds from the beach. Enjoy the video. A great little Parkup. Hidden away. Oh, it's chilly today. Yep.
Hi, sheep.
Hopefully you don't come across anyone coming down the other way. See? That saved us 10 quid parking there, Susie. If we'd have parked at that harbour, we'd have paid 10 quid for overnight parking with no facilities. It probably would have been bloody freezing because it was right on the seaside.
Yeah.
And there's a pub right opposite, look at that. If you do use this one, I recommend arriving early and leaving early. It's big enough for a couple of Mercedes Sprinters. Ours is long wheelbase. And then we got a little bit lost.
Monturpie Guest House, Monturpie, and then Monturpie B&B. But if you look it up on the
Restaurant and caravans, it's confusing, isn't it?
Yeah, and then if you look at the timetable just says Monturpie Farm.
Yeah. It's slightly confusing. Monturpie B&B, restaurant, caravans. Monturpie Guest House. The postcode takes you miles up this road. So if you pass this, you've missed it because it's in there. There's Susie. Down the road, around the bend, and back behind there, as you can see, the caravans. Monturpie Caravan Park. And we're currently standing on the side of the road waiting for a bus that we don't know whether it's going to come or we don't even know whether it's going to stop. We were told to just stick our arm out by the host at Monturpie Caravan Park. So we'll see what happens. Well, if you're watching this video, it means we made it. And we got on the bus from Monturpie to Edinburgh, which apparently is an hour and 21 stops.
21 stops.
21 stops from Monturpie Farm, barbecue, restaurant, or whatever you want to call it. It's got like 5 or 6 names. First stop, Levin. £15.20 for both of us for Susie's birthday tribute to Edinburgh. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you. Oh my god. That's because of me. I won't take a contract.
How are you liking your bus ride?
I think this and
this hand. Hello. It's a bit bumpy. Say hello to Palmer.
Hi, Paul.
Finally, we arrived, relatively unscathed, in Edinburgh.
There's a sunrise waiting just beyond the hill, a whisper of tomorrow if your heart stands still. The road is long but wide and time just slips away. So take your chance, don't let your dreams decay. Every heartbeat's a promise, every breath a song. You'll never know the magic if you don't sing along.
You have a good time?
Only live once, so embrace every moment. Love, laugh and travel free. Stop and feel the breeze and the grass beneath your feet. You'll enjoy what you do and only regret what you don't. Believe me. There's a river that remembers every tear you've cried, but the water keeps on moving, leaving pain behind. Every sunset's telling you to hold on tight to the people and the memories that light your life. Every smile is a story, every scar's a song. So dance while you can, the night won't last long. You only live once, so embrace every moment. Love, laugh and travel free. Stop and feel the breeze and the grass beneath your feet. You'll enjoy what you do and only regret what you don't. Believe me. So raise a glass to the roads not taken, to the hearts we've lost and the ones still breaking. Every day's a gift wrapped in the unknown. Don't wait for tomorrow, make the world your own. You only live once, so embrace every moment. Love, laugh and travel free. Stop and feel the breeze and the grass beneath your feet. You'll enjoy what you do and only regret what you don't. Let your spirit roam wild, let your worries fade slow. You
What's that,
only
Gizzy?
live once, and that's all you need to know.
Right, let's see if we can do this in 60 seconds. This is Monturpie Caravan Park in Scotland. There's the view, Firth for Forth, one or the other. Toilet blocks there. Whoop, there it is. Okay, quick walk to the recycling bins. Cardboard and paper. In you go. Ooh. Up the steps. There we go. Wash up area, hot and cold water. It is hot, I've tried it. Gents toilets, ladies around the back. Laundry facilities, washing machine, tumble dryer. £2 for the washing machine, £1 for the tumble dryer. It does work, we tested it. There's the van, there's the view. Elston disposal point. There's the site itself. Set back from the main road. There's Susie bombing it back to the van. She's had her shower, electric hookup, and water right next to the van. Did you enjoy your shower?
Oh yeah, it's a really good shower.
We do enjoy free parkups, but we still need to do laundry and top up water, so we don't mind paying for the occasional campsite or a coin laundrette. But with a little bit of research, I found a car park near to Edinburgh. It was 50p for 24 hours, right next to a train station. Again, I'll put the links in the description.
I'll always be 1 mile and then down this road we travel in our head. Why not come with me? See what we can see. Someplace along the way we can find some peace. We can run through open fields, climb these mountains in our way, fly over oceans, rivers, streams, all this painted in life's tapestry. I'll always be somewhere down the road. Take a deep breath in. Why don't you come along? We can run through open fields, climb these mountains in our way, fly over oceans, rivers, streams, all this painted in life's tapestry.
Follow Susie down the hill, back to the van. 50p to park over there for 24 hours. There's 4 campers. Big old Mercedes bus there. Let you know how it is in the morning.
All this painted in life's tapestry.
We absolutely loved our stay in Edinburgh and would definitely go back. If you've enjoyed any part of this video, please give us a like, a comment or a subscribe, and we'll catch you down the road. Cheers, guys.